Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 16th, and we will be planting polka dot plant seeds today. And I'm going to be planting the Splash Select Mix. They do have a confetti mix out. I don't think I've ever tried that one. But polka dot plants, they're cute little plants. They make nice little house plants. It looks like you took a paintbrush and threw paint speckles on them. They can come in white, red, and pink. And I'll show you what the seeds look like here. You can see here. Now, polka dot plant seeds need light to germinate. So, I already have my cell pack filled here. And I'm going to be planting like 5 seeds per cell. They look cute when you plant them like together, when you mass plant them. So you can separate them if you want to. That's up to you. I'll leave a link below on how I mix my seed starting mix, because I had some left over from another project, so I'm just using it for this. So I'm just going to be pushing them into the soil surface. So you want to make sure that your soil is nice and level so that you don't have any of your seeds fall down into a hole, because they need that light to germinate. And you can use a bottom heat on these. It should be about 70 degrees for them to germinate. So I'm just going to be putting them in our light boxes. Plant them up here. Having a little difficulties picking them up here. Oops, no, don't fall down in there. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. There we go. And this should give us a nice wide range of colors. I had some that I planted yesterday, and I accidentally covered them with a little bit of soil, so I'm not sure if they're going to come up or not. I'll have to wait and see. But planting some more here to make sure I get some. Oh, there was a little hole there, so I'm just filling in around everything here. Okay, I got one left here. I'm just going to throw that in over here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mister bottle here, and I do have this tray soaking in water to soak up some extra water, but I'm just gently going to spray over the top. I don't want a really hard spray. I just want a gentle spray to make sure that the seed gets wet, and I also want to make sure that it helps it make good contact with the ground, with the soil, because that'll help them to root in better. And the soil that I used here is the Jiffy Organic Seed Starting Mix. So I'm going to label these and put these under our light. They should start coming up within 7 to 14 days. We should see little green shoots coming up. Now, if you have your plants in low light, they won't get their colors. They need the light to get their coloring. So, if you have these growing and they're just green, they need more light. So, we'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and I got my polka dot seeds planted in here. And polka dot plants need humidity to help them germinate. So I have these in this enclosed container here. This will help keep the humidity and the heat in for them. And we have our fluorescent light here. I use the daylight bulbs, or you can use the sunshine bulbs. I've used both of them. They both work. And it's on for 14 hours a day, and then it just automatically shuts itself off. It's on a timer. So that'll give us the light and the heat that we need. This is a grow box. So it will actually heat up in here from the light for us. So when they start coming up, I will come back with another video, and I will show you what they look like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button, and I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.